Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please like and subscribe. And this slime was especially made for this channel. Okay, and this, all credits to Cody. If he has a YouTube channel, I will link it in the description below, but I don't think he does. He is my, here, I'll show you. Here's my cousin, nicest. And he has made this slime especially made for our channels. So we're going to be really quiet.
Do you want to hold up one hand while I go get my other slime what I made for you?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Right there. Okay. Oh yeah, this is his phone, guys. It's a really good phone. Supreme! Put in the comments below if you know what 97s are. Got it. Okay, so Cody's got the slime.
I'll scoop this one out.
And Cody's just going to scoop that one up. And I'm going to let him play with this slime. I'm going to let him play with this slime. If you're wondering why I just said I'll just keep it his, because, like, yeah.
Okay, this
That's not how you open it. That's not how you do slime videos. And also we're teaching Cody how to do slime videos, but he does not know that. That's not what you're meant to do. You need to learn, mate. Okay. Now we're going to do... Who can do the best slimes? Well, the slime. What was that for?
I don't know. God, this one, feel there. That's a little lump in it.
Yeah, I know.
I literally bought the ingredients yesterday and I made it this morning. It takes about 5 minutes. Maybe if we do hit 100 subscribers or likes, we'll show you how to make it. Ooh, I never knew I made bouncy slime. Watch this. My slime can bounce. Right, guys, I will show you my TikTok name for the credits because I do not have
YouTube.
Because I do not have
I
do not have a YouTube channel yet, so
Angel's making me some slime as well, so I'll show that.
nice. So
Like
as I go in, if you see this, please do follow and tell me you're from Sydney's YouTube channel. So as you can tell,
Whoa, my foot just fell in the box. Oh crap.
sorry right there. As you can tell,
One wheel.
let it focus. I'm gonna let my phone focus for that. I'm alright. As you can see, I'll show you one of my videos. So can you hold? Never mind. Don't hold the camera. Right there.
I'll hold this. Look, here is the videos. Credits to me.
Stop.
No, do the good.
I'll show you. I'll make it clear what I have.
The city's gone.
Now I'm gonna do another one. Another good one.
Sorry, that was just the slime.
Here.
All credits to me on. All credits to me on that one. I shake like a pro.
She does. That's why I get good shakes. Also,
Sometimes he shakes really good.
I'll show you one of my shakes.
Yeah, Cody's learning, but he's slowly getting better and better. And if you know how to do shakes, put your thing in below.
Okay.
And I'm going to be posting some TikTok videos
Here you go.
as well.
This is me and my mate because we got bored, by the way.
And my boyfriend.
Here you go.
Cute.
I don't really look that good, by the way. My hair's shorter.
Yeah.
So I had to get a haircut. Here is one of my aesthetics. Never mind. Wrong one. This one.
Yeah, he needs to learn on them.
Yeah.
That was me as well.
That was my cousin with the belly out. Oh, I ruined one of my movie discs. And this is a good shake as well. That looked bad from camera though.
Yeah, very bad.
Oh, I've done the scunch challenge. If you are ready. I was just having quite a fun time being bored. Here's my little fluffy boy.
Alpha.
My little doggy.
Okay, now I'm just going to play with this one.
If you do want to see my Musical.ly account, no, not my Musical.ly account, my YouTube account,
well,
and you want to follow me, if you follow me on Musical.ly first and say make a YouTube video, I will. So if I get off of this, here is my name and my picture.
What is it? Are we okay? Ooh, I did not know that. Just let it focus. Good. So there's focused.
You'll see a picture of.
Look how cool this looks. Wait there. It's my phone. Look how cool that looks. We should do the tape challenge after we've done this.
Yeah. So go follow. Back to the slime.
If you don't know what the tape challenge is, then
you just have to watch Sydney's account or mine.
Okay, now let's get back to the slime.
Now let's see if this slime bounces. Definitely bounces because that hit Sydney on the arm.
Oh, it's got nothing in it except from
By the way, I'm kind of in our room and I'm moving.
We're packing. Oh.
So yeah, hold the phone. Hold the phone. Hold it like that, so it's on me.
Let's just show Cody. Oh, that was a rip. Okay, that did not work. Cody. Okay. Here, let's put it in good lighting.
I'm going to throw this and it's going to bounce back. Really cool.
He still missed.
Where is it?
It landed on me.
Nice. So, right, we're going to put the slime back and we are going to
end
the video. So, here you go.
So, like, subscribe, and we'll see you later. Let's do the thing.
Peace out.
Hey! Oh, whoops, didn't end it.